In today's video, I'll show you how to add an emoji in Slack. Perfect for expressing your mood, adding personality to chats, or creating custom emojis for your team. Start by opening Slack in your browser or desktop app and selecting the workspace you want to use. If you don't have the app, no worries, you can use Slack right in your browser. Next, find any message in a channel or direct message. Hover over it and click the smiley face icon to open reactions. Then select Find Another Reaction to bring up the emoji menu. In the emoji window, click Add Emoji in the bottom left corner. You will be prompted to upload an image. Make sure it's a PNG file. Once uploaded, give your new emoji a creative, intuitive name. This is how your team will find and use it. Finally, click Save and your emoji is added to the workspace. To confirm, go back to Reactions, search for your emoji's name and you're ready to use it. Simply click it to add it to any message. And that's it. Creating custom emojis in Slack is simple, fun, and a great way to make your workspace more lively. Happy slacking and keep those chats expressive.